Don't want that on there either, really.
Here we are at Larry's shop, and holy cow, there's the top of the crane. Let me get my hand in there. You see how big it is. There's the top. There's the top of the crane right there. Um, we're picking something up there. A ball and chain. And there's Larry sitting inside the driver's seat.
Yeah.
Holy cow. God, I can't go. And it's an Erie. There's the inside, the door. Uh-oh. Oh gosh.
Good picture of that, yeah.
Yeah, he pointing at that.
That's
There's a
Lackawanna.
window right there. There's one of the winches.
That's Lackawanna.
Lackawanna.
Erie Lackawanna.
And there's the building. 628. I can't get back any further. And here's the back. There's the smoke. There's the smoke. Oh, look down the stack there.
There ain't nothing down there.
Oh God, look at all the, here's all the wiring. Oh gosh, it's big. Everybody asks, did you build your flat car? You can lay the crane.
Not yet.
Not yet. Oh God, there's the controller. I get to run it. Okay, let's get back here. There's one more picture. I can't really. There we go. Okay. Okay, Dave, there it is. You can come out to Molalla Train Park and run it, Dave. We can pick your engine up. All right. Talk to you later. I'm out. Gone.